Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Capital One showing an connection error, crashing instantly, or refusing to connect because you have a VPN running in your phone? Here's how to fix it in 20 seconds from your settings. Capital One does not allow connections from VPN addresses. It blocks them automatically as a fraud prevention measures. So, any VPN running in your phone will cause Capital One to crash, fail to load, or show service error every time. Here's how to turn it off completely. Go to your settings and then go to General, scroll down and go to VPN and Device Management. If you see any VPN connection listed there with a green connected indicator next to it, tap on it and tap disconnect or toggle it off. Then go back to your settings. Go back to your settings home screen and look for any VPN you've installed. Apps like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, ProtonVPN or similar. Open that VPN app and make sure it is fully disconnected, not just paused or standby. After all VPNs are turned off, open the Capital One app again and it will connect automatically. So all you gotta do is go to settings, then go to general, then go to VPN and device management, disconnect anything active. Also turn off VPN apps directly.